Today, your angels have a powerful and deeply personal message for you. You know that person who occupies your thoughts day after day, the one whose memory is always present in your mind, even when you try to distract yourself. Well, what you might not know is that this person has also been thinking about you in a way you never imagined. This someone is finally preparing for something significant, something that could completely change the dynamic between you. For a long time, you may have felt alone in these feelings, wondering if you were creating illusions or seeing signs where there were none. However, the truth is that this person is also being guided by forces that go beyond what we can understand with the rational mind. The connection between you is real, powerful, and is now starting to manifest in ways you never expected. Imagine the scene. He, during moments of silence, finds himself thinking about you, questioning the choices he made and the words he said or left unsaid. It's as if an invisible energy is pushing him in your direction, making him reconsider everything. And this energy, which stirs so much within him, is the same that has kept you strong, believing in something greater. This person is going through a period of deep reflection. Every memory he has of you is a flame that still burns, warming his heart even on the coldest days. He is realizing that these memories are not just fleeting recollections, but rather fragments of something much more grand, a bond that withstands time and distance. This bond is so strong that, even though both of you have tried to move on, it remains there, unwavering, defying logic and circumstances. But there is something more. What he is preparing to do is not just anything. It is an action that requires courage, that demands from him a commitment he may have never experienced before. He is being driven to act in a way that, until now, he may not even have known he was capable of. And all of this is because of you. You have become the center of his thoughts, the force that propels him to face his own fears and insecurities. He knows he needs to do something, that this is the only way to try to reconcile what he feels with what he has lived until now. And with each passing day, the urgency inside him grows to the point where he can no longer ignore it. He needs to speak, he needs to open up, he needs to do something so that this connection does not get lost. I know you have been waiting for a sign, something to show you that all this time and energy you have invested were not in vain. And that sign is finally on its way. When he comes to you, when he finally opens up, you will know that everything you have been through up to this point had a purpose. The waiting time is coming to an end, and what comes next is a revelation that could transform everything. This person is preparing to come to you, to show himself in a way he never has before. And when that happens, you will see that all your feelings were right, that the bond between you has always been real, and that the time you have spent apart was just a preparation for what is to come. There is an irresistible force pulling this person in your direction. This force is not just a physical attraction or a fleeting longing. It is something much deeper, rooted in the essence of who you are and the destiny that connects you. As he prepares to take the next step, you may have already noticed subtle signs in the air, a shift in energy, a feeling that something big is about to happen. He is realizing that he can no longer run away from this connection. He can no longer ignore what he feels. And what he feels for you is something that goes beyond the ordinary. It's as if he is finally awakening to the reality of what you both mean to each other. This may have been a long and painful process for him, especially if he tried to deny or suppress these feelings in the past. But now, everything is aligning so that he can finally act in accordance with what his heart has always known to be true. You have probably felt this change too, haven't you? An internal drive that makes you believe that something important is about to happen, even if you can't quite explain what it is. This is the universe whispering to you, preparing your heart for what is to come. Your angels are by your side, guiding every step, so that you are ready for this moment. What this person is about to do is not easy. It requires from him a vulnerability that he may have never shown to anyone. He will have to expose his feelings, his fears, and everything he has held inside for so long. And this can be frightening. But he knows it is necessary. He knows that if he does not take this step now, he might lose something he will never find in anyone else. This preparation is not just about him approaching you, but also about him preparing for what it means. Being with you is not a trivial matter. It is a choice that will change his life, that will require him to be the best version of himself, to leave behind old patterns and embrace something new, something greater. He understands that being by your side is not just a matter of love, but also of growth, of personal and spiritual evolution. And that's why he is preparing himself in a way he never has before. He is reflecting on his choices, revisiting his beliefs, and trying to understand what truly matters to him. And what he realizes more and more is that you are at the center of all this. That life without you is an incomplete life, and being by your side is the only path that makes sense to him right now. You are the catalyst of this transformation. Your presence, even when distant, is what has moved mountains within him. He knows that this connection between you is not accidental, that it is something that transcends time and space. And now, he is ready to honor that, to finally open up and let you see who he really is. This person has been observing you from afar, admiring your strength, your grace, your ability to carry on, even when things got tough. He sees in you a light, something he has never found in anyone else. And that light is what draws him in, what makes him want to be a better man, someone worthy of your love. When he approaches, know that this is not just an attempt to revive the past or seek comfort. It is a sincere and deliberate movement towards something new, something he believes is the future for both of you. He is preparing to commit in a way he never has before, and that's because he sees in you someone who is worth it. You are his inspiration, the strength that drives him to become who he has always wanted to be, but never knew how. And now, he is ready to take that step, to get closer to you and show that he is willing to do whatever it takes for you to be together. He knows it won't be easy, that there are challenges ahead, but he also knows that with you by his side, he can face anything. As this person approaches you, you may start to notice small gestures, signs that they are trying to reconnect. Perhaps they are unexpected messages, glances that last longer than normal, or even coincidences that put you both in the same place, at the same time. Don't underestimate these signs. They are manifestations of the universe, indicating that your moment has finally arrived. What is coming is an opportunity for a fresh start. Not a return to the past, but rather a new chapter, where both of you can build something solid and lasting. They are preparing to be honest, to open their heart in a way they have never done before. And this honesty may be challenging, but it's exactly what you need to overcome the barriers that have separated you until now. You may have your doubts. After all, you have been through many things, and perhaps a part of you is wondering if it is worth opening your heart again, if it is worth trusting. But your angels want you to know that this is a unique opportunity. Something inside you has always known that this connection was different, that it wasn't like the others. And now, that certainty is about to be confirmed. They will approach with a sincerity that may even surprise you. They will share their fears, their insecurities, and everything that has kept them from being by your side until now. And when they do, you will see how much they have changed, how much they have grown. This journey they have taken, full of ups and downs, was necessary for them to get here, ready to be the person you deserve. This is a crucial moment, where the choices you make will determine the future of this connection. You have before you the chance to build something true, something that will withstand time and adversity. But for that, it is essential that both of you are willing to leave behind the hurt, the fears, and the doubts. What you share is special. It is not just love, it is a connection of souls, something that goes beyond this life. And that is why, even after all the challenges, you are still connected. Because this connection is not something that can be easily broken. It was forged on a higher plane, where souls recognize each other and commit to walking together, regardless of what happens in the physical world. Prepare for a sincere conversation, where he will reveal what he has been feeling, what he has been thinking, and how he has come to the conclusion that you are the person he wants to be with. And this revelation will touch deep in your heart, because you always knew there was something special between you, even when circumstances seemed to suggest otherwise. This reunion, when it happens, will be like the rebirth of something that should never have ended. It will be an opportunity to start anew, to build a story together, based on truth, respect, and love. He is getting ready to take this step because he knows you are the only person who can make his heart feel at peace, who can bring him the happiness he is seeking. Your angels want you to be ready for this moment. That you receive this new phase with an open heart, with a calm mind, and with the certainty that what is to come is a gift from the universe. You deserve this love, you deserve this happiness, and now is the time to welcome them into your life. Remember that your journey together has been marked by challenges, but each challenge overcome has brought you here. And now, you are ready for a new beginning, a restart that can bring everything you have always wished for. He is approaching, and when he is finally by your side, you will see that every moment of wait was worth it. Now that you are about to welcome this person back into your life, it is important that you also prepare yourself. This reunion will not be just a fleeting event, but rather the beginning of something much greater. Your angels want you to be ready to embrace this new phase with wisdom and love. You should remember all the lessons you have learned up to this point. Everything you have gone through, the pain, the doubts, the moments of loneliness, has been part of a growth process that prepared you for this moment. You have become a stronger, wiser person, and now you are ready to experience a love that reflects this new version of yourself. This person is returning with an open heart, willing to be vulnerable and truly commit. But for this to work, both of you need to be aligned. You need to be willing to leave the past in the past, to forgive, and to understand that the mistakes made do not have to define your future. Your angels ask that you trust the process. Trust that everything that has happened was necessary for you to arrive here. And trust that, even though challenges still exist, you have the strength and love needed to overcome them together. What you have is rare, and it should not be wasted due to fears or insecurities. The universe is conspiring for you to reunite and build something beautiful together. But this will only be possible if both of you are willing to give your best, to commit yourselves fully to this relationship. It will not be easy, but it will be profoundly rewarding. There is a new journey ahead of you, a journey that you do not need to walk alone. This person you have thought about and desired so much is ready to walk by your side. And together, you can create a future filled with love, understanding, and harmony. Be open to receive everything the universe has to offer. Allow this person to come closer and show the true transformation they have undergone. And be ready to be surprised, to see that, even after all the difficulties, the love you share is still the most powerful force in your lives. Trusting in divine timing and the plans that the universe has for you is essential now. What is about to happen is not a mere coincidence, but rather the unfolding of something that has been planned on a much deeper level. And you, with your open heart and unwavering faith, are about to receive the blessings you have longed for. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and everything the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift one another and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.